Okay, I thought I'd come by and check out what was reported to be a sinkhole over in the northern part of the villages. And in my opinion, I don't think it's a sinkhole. I think it's some kind of a rupture of maybe like a rusty pipe in the road. So if anybody is worried about a giant sinkhole that's appearing up here, that is not the case. It looks to me like probably about 6 feet wide. It's in the middle of the road. There's a pipe underneath there, and already they're on top of the scene here as far as trying to do a repair job. See if I can get a better shot of it. They want everybody to stay clear of this area, which of course that's what I'm going to do. I'm probably about 100 feet away from the repair project, and it's a very quiet area. The village is. They'll probably have this repair probably in the next 24 hours. It's nothing to be alarmed about. Again, I think it's probably a water main break, not a giant sinkhole that has happened in the past in parts of the villages. So looks to me like this being a Saturday, they might have a light staff over here repairing this thing. It's also lunchtime, so maybe they're taking a break, but they already had the digger out there trying to fix this thing, so I think it's all under control, and it'll be repaired shortly. Leave your comments.